the new chapter, my dear students. Introduction to graph. Clear? Introduction to graph. Already you people have gone through representation of the data. Why it becomes very important to represent the data in different graphical representation. We have gone through different representation like single bar graph, double bar graph, histograms, circle graphs. We have discussed all the things. So these graphical representation make our data more and more easy to analyze it. Whenever we people have given already drawn graphical representation, we can analyze it. We can compare the two data, performances of the students, any other data we can analyze properly. But now in this present chapter, we have to see the presentation of the data with the help of line graph. So my dear students, firstly we have to know about a line graph. हमने line graph तो बोल दिया. How line graph we can draw, we can understand. How we can understand the graph which is known as a line graph. Students, in the coordinate axis, you know, whatever the points we are going to plot, firstly, suppose I have the point 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 7. Likewise, these are the points. You know very well that the points I have written here are on x-axis, y-axis. These are the points. On y-axis, we can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Likewise, whatever the location we have to draw on the graphical paper, we can represent. X is 2, y is 3. X2 with respect to y is 3. This is the location of the point 2, 3. Then after x4, y2, x4 and y2. x4 and y2. Then after x is 3, y is again 3. x3, y3. So it will come here at most. So whatever the points I have drawn, with the help of scale I have to join them. Firstly pass point 1, then 2. This is A, B. So this representation I came to know is the presentation in which the different points in a plane are joined by a line. Are called line graphs. इनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Line graph. A to B, then B to this point C. All the locations have been joined with the help of line are known as the line graph. So let me see in exercise 15.1 some graphical representation we have given and we have to answer the following questions. If you see in exercise 15.1, exercise 15.1 is here. This is here. Question number 1. Let me see. The following graph shows the temperature of a patient in a hospital recorded after every hour. We have one patient in a hospital. Patient is admitted in the hospital and graphical representation is shown on the textbook. Analyze the graph and answer the following question. ग्राफ को एनालाइज करना है. टाइम विद रिस्पेक्ट टू वेरिएशन ऑफ टेम्परेचर हैज बीन रिकॉर्डेड. सो वी हैव टू गिव द आंसर ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, टेम्परेचर एट 1 AM. टेम्परेचर एट 1 PM. Sorry, it is not AM. At time interval 1 PM, you see the temperature. It is 36.5 degrees Celsius. It is a 36.5 degrees Celsius temperature. Second one is also given here. What is that? When was patient temperature at? When temperature is 38.5. So 38.5 temperature is at 12 noon. What time? 12 noon. This is the interval of temperature 38.5 at the time of 12 noon. Then third part here. The patient's temperature was same at 2 times during which period? The time at which the temperature is same temperature. The time is 1 to 2 PM. 1 PM to 2 PM. Clear? Next, fourth part. In part number 4, what was the temperature at 1:30 PM? Temperature at 1:30 PM. You see the graph and answer the question. 1:30 PM. The temperature is 36.5. 1:30 PM. 1:30 PM the temperature is, you can write down 1:30 PM the temperature is going to be 1:30 PM temperature value is going 36.52. This is the ranging of the temperature. It's lying between the 2 points, 36.5 to 37, because it is the interval of the temperature 36 to 37. So the range is coming between 36.5 to 37. Then part number 5. During what period did the patient temperature show an upward trend? During what period? कौन से समय पर पेशेंट का टेम्परेचर जो है वो अपवर्ड शो हुआ? 9 o'clock to 11 o'clock. Upward temperature 9 a.m. to maximum value going at 11 a.m. 9 to 11 a.m. This is the question that we solved by using the scale or the graphical representation from the textbook. So this was up to you. Question number 2 and 3. Also 4. 2, 3, 4 are also same as reading or analyzing of graph that you people can do. आप लोगों को क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, 3 और 4 कर लेना है ग्राफ को देख के. इट इज वेरी इजी वर्क. टेक्स्ट बुक से आपको उसको देखना है और उसको ड्राई करना है. तो आई विल डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Use the table and given linear graph. Below draw linear graph. Draw linear graph or the table is given here year and days. Year and days. You can see the table representation 2003 to 2003, 2004, 2005 and 2006. This is the year duration 8, 10, 5, 12. 8, 10, 5 and 12. This is the day representation. Now we people have to draw. We have to draw a linear graph for this representation. Let me draw the axis system, Cartesian plane. Origin having the coordinate 0, 0 and one side it is years and other side it is days. So how many years time? 2003, 2004, 2005 and 2006. 2003, 4, 5, 6 and the days value is going from maximum 12. 1, 2, 3. यहाँ पर ये समाएगा नहीं मेरे ख्याल से. मुझे ग्राफ को थोड़ा नीचे स्लाइड करना पड़ेगा बेटा. डोंट वरी. ध्यान देख लो, कोई बात नहीं. हमारे पास बोर्ड भी बहुत बड़ा है. वी विल यूज द बोर्ड 0, 0, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006. Now the numbering on the y-axis is going to be maximum by 12. So let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and this is the 12. The value is going this way. In 2003, 8 value is coming. 2003, which value is coming? 8. This. I can denote it as A point. 2004, 10. This is the point B. 2005, 5. Point 2006, 12. D. So we have to join the points which are helpful for us to give the presentation as a straight line. So I am going to join the maximum points which can be used to produce a line this way. So the overall graph we have to plot is a straight line graph. Clear everybody? So we can join the graph. Clear बेटा? हम इन ग्राफ को अच्छे से ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. A के बाद B ज्वाइन किया, फिर आप C को कर सकते हो, C कर दिया, फिर आप D को कर सकते हो, ऐसे. तो इस तरह से आपके पास जो ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन है वो लाइन से जो है वो ड्रॉ हो जाएगा आपका. ठीक है? If sometime the question is asking is the graph linear or not, then also we can give the clarification. If the all points are coming in a straight line, then we will say it is a linear, otherwise no. Clear everybody? So question number 5, this was the part number A. Now B part is also here, so we have to do that one also. This was A, now B part. Part here. Again the tabular representation here. Here then number of men, here number of women, men and women, 2003 to 7, 2003, 2004, 2005, 6 and 2007. This way. Men and women. Men values 12, 12.5, 13, 13.2, 13.5, 11.3, 11.9, 13, 13.6 and 12.8. This is our data which is shown in the table, and let me plot this one by one. So ये graphical representation here with respect to men and women we have to show. So the graph I am going to draw here. x y 0, 0, then यहाँ पर मैं कर देता हूँ, ये वैल्यू है 7, 8, 9, sorry, year wise I will take, first of all 2003, 2004, 5, 6 and 7. So the maximum value is going to be approaching as, मैं यहाँ से ले लेता हूँ 5, 1, 2, 3, यहाँ पे ले लेता हूँ मैं 6, यहाँ पे मान लो 7 ले लिया, 8 ले लिया, 9 ले लिया, 10 ले लिया, 11 ले लिया, 12 ले लिया, 30 ले लिया, 40 ले लिया. These values I am taking successively here. So first of all, men, I will denote men and women. Men के लिए मैं जो सिंबॉलिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन करूंगा ऐसे करूंगा, और वुमेन के लिए मैं रिप्रेजेंटेशन करूंगा ऐसे. You can understand. Firstly for men 2003, 12. Clear? 2004, 12.5. Then 2005, 13. 2006, 13.2. 2007, 13.5. This way. So I can join these points this way, this way, this way, and this way. I have to join these points. So for women, 2003, 11.3. ये 11.3, फिर 11.9, very close to this one, 13, फिर 13.6, फिर 12.8. इन पॉइंट्स को आप ज्वाइन कर दो. ये तो ओवरऑल ये जो ग्राफ है मेरे पास इस तरह से बनता हुआ नजर आएगा, और ये मेरे पास ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन जो थी ऑफ डिफरेंट टेबुलर फॉर्म व्हिच वर गिवन. आई हैव डन दिस फॉर यू. Now the remaining questions which are already drawn in the textbook, you people can plot the points on the graph paper. Clear? So this covers our 15.1. So this is the end of 15.1 exercise. Clear? Thereafter in the next session we will do 15.2. Clear? Till then, bye.